Welcome back everybody to another Halloween product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at this clown's archway that I picked up from Walmart. It was $99, which I was kind of blown away when I saw that because this is a large inflatable. It is 12 feet across. I don't know how high, it doesn't say, but you know, for a large scale, especially archway inflatable, $100 is kind of like, in my opinion, an unbelievable price. It lights up. It even has sound. It plays carnival music. So I'm very eager to see what this looks like, see if it is, you know, too good to be true or what, but we're going to do that together. I was eyeballing this for the longest time. When I first saw it in Walmart, I was very excited. I thought, you know, maybe I should do a carnival theme. But and I've wanted to do a carnival theme for some time, but I've just never, you know, been able to pull it all together. Well, this year, when I saw that Pennywise prop over there, that animatronic figure, and this archway, they didn't come from the same spot, but in my mind, I instantly put them together. I'm going to have my archway basically at the front center of my yard. And basically, if you watched my last year's walkthrough video, you'll remember this is where I have my car pad up at by the street. And I usually will block that off if I don't want people going down that path. Because some years I'll go down that path, some years I'll go down my driveway. Well, I don't want people going down this path. So I'm going to put this archway there. I'm going to have Pennywise in the middle of the archway, just standing there looking creepy. And I'm going to use this no trespassing line stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree store to sort of block it all off. So nobody's going to go near it. So I'm going to have Pennywise, the archway. It's going to look really scary. And hopefully the kids will be terrified. But anyway, today, like I said, we're going to look at this archway, see if it's worth it. Just give a quick peek inside. Oh, good thing I did that because I wouldn't be prepared outside. We're going to have to go outside since this is so large. But inside the nice box, we have another box. So I don't have any scissors with me. We'll go ahead and get this open up outside. Ready to see it? Let's go ahead and open up the box. Now, this inflatable is absolutely jam-packed, stuffed into this box. So, looks like we've got some instructions here. Let's see if we can just pull it out. Nice little cube. Comes with some stakes. And, all right, it really doesn't seem like it's that unmanageable. It's not overly large here, but let's see what happens when we get it plugged in. All right, it's a little hard to tell at this point which side's the front and the back, but I think we'll just plug it in and start getting it going. This fan does have these legs that push and lock into place, so that's nice. There's a nice large air gap here, so it hopefully won't get caught. All right. Now, there is a pocket here, and I am told this is a speaker, I guess, and it's got an on and an off. But let's go ahead and turn it on and hear some fun carnival music. It's nice that it has its own little pocket here. I'm kind of impressed by that. All right. But wasting time. Let's get this thing plugged in and going. All right, it's inflating very fast. And I have it backwards. I had to turn the music down because that is really loud, and actually it just keeps repeating like the same very short loop. So I would almost say you're not going to want to use that carnival music unless it's very subtle. You know, there's so much music online we can get. We'll find something more suitably creepy to go with this suitably creepy clown. He is amazing. Well, first of all, it's super tall, which is great for me because I'm, you know, 6'4" and I can walk under it without bending. And I think my Pennywise guy is going to be just perfect because he's just about my height too. But, you know, the clown and Pennywise, they're, you know, they could be best friends. Look at these claws. It's like this clown is going to just rip your face off. I just love him. Let's see what you think. I'm going to bring the camera in. We'll take a closer look. I love the fact that it uses such fun kids' carnival colors, yet has this creepy, demented clown look. It's very spooky in a subtle yet fun way. Look at that mouth with those disgusting teeth. He is awesome. And these big claws that really stick out far from the tower thing, whatever it is. One thing I did not notice in our close-up shot is that he actually blinks. So I'm kind of curious as to how this is going to look at night, but you're going to have to wait until Halloween to see it in place to see what that looks like. So stay tuned for that. There's one last thing I need to show you though, and that is deflating it. Let's see how fast he deflates. All right, there's probably some zippers, yes. Here's one here, just open that up. There's one right under the middle of the archway here. That's gonna be good to access. Oh, in fact, it wasn't even all the way closed. So it'll be good to access the lights if they ever need to be changed. And let's see if there's one over here as well. Oh yeah, there is. So there are 3 zippers you wanna take note of when inflating or deflating it, but looks like it's, deflates rather fast in that sense. So I guess I will just stuff this back in the box, and that's it for today. Again, stay tuned to Halloween. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I did take a couple shots of it with my Pennywise prop, and I do want you to see that because it looks amazing. But that's it for today. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more DIYs, product reviews, and so forth. But that is it for today. Till next time, take care. Happy haunting.